almost every day when I'm wrapping up in the mealworm farm, there's something that I see that I forgot to do or need to do. And today, it's that guy with the vinegar. Normally, well, not normally, probably in the last few months, I'm trying to make it the new normal. I will stop 15 minutes early of whatever I'm doing in order to find that last thing and give myself time to deal with it. Let's get this in here. I need to pour with my right hand because the left hand is not going to do it. And today what I forgot is this. Routine cleaning of the P-trap on the HVAC. And that's just vinegar going in there with the water. Do that, I think, every week or two. I'd have to check my reminder. Oh. If there is anyone in the science or HVAC world that can convince me that putting vinegar in there is bad and I should be doing something else, please let me know. The goal of that is just to clean that out and keep anything from building up and causing an issue in there. Yeah. So that's it for the day. Wrapping up. Come back today and use that, or come back tomorrow and use that guy. Get some harvesting done. Clean trays. Got to do beetle swap tomorrow. But yeah, that's it.